RG Tech Computer Tutorials.
Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you a detailed information how to split your hard drive. Like what you see here, I have drive C and drive D. This is very important just in case your computer can't be able to boot. Only the focus of your repair is only on your C drive and not affecting the files in the other drive, which is your documents. This method also works in Windows 10, just the same. So what we're gonna do is go in the search bar, simply type disk and it appears create and format hard disk partition. Click on that and the Windows will open the disk management panel. In this row we have three partition here, which are system reserve, that is by default letter C, and one I've created before, the letter D. And of course we're going to borrow some space on the main drive, which is a C drive. So we choose a letter C, then right click, choose shrink volume, and it says here querying volume for available shrink space, please wait. So we need to wait, and you can see here the size of available shrink space in MB. In my part, 20,000 MB is available, which is equal to 20 GB, and I'm gonna borrow some space, half of it, just to show you. So enter the amount of space to shrink. Here I type 10,000 MB, which is 10 GB, then I click shrink, and now you can see here unallocated. Select that, then right click, new simple volume, and this volume wizard, click on next, and again next, and you can assign a letter whatever you want, then click next. The selection must be in format this volume with the following settings. File system must be NTFS, and the allocation unit size is by default. Volume level, you can rename whatever you want. Then perform a quick format, then click next, then finish. Then if we go to the file explorer, there is now another volume added here, and you can now perform a batch transfer all of your documents on this new partition, like what I've done on my previous video about useful tips part 2. You better watch it. I made a link on the upper right of this video, and also you can revert it back. If you're not satisfied with this volume amount, just choose drive E again, letter E, then click, then right click, then choose delete volume here, then click next. Then you can see now unallocated volume again here. So what we gonna do is just select again our main drive, which is our drive C, click, then right click, then choose extend volume, and then click next, and again click next, then finish, and there you go. You can see added again to our main drive, our drive C, and you can repeat it again, the procedure what you did before, and enter your desired amount. And that's all for now, guys. So if you found this video interesting with you, kindly hit like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.